All right, so back on the bike again, and it's not a bad day for it. I'll show you a bit of the view on my old favourite cycle track down the side of the river. But yeah, not a lot more to say today. It's just a nice little relaxing ride. I might get the drone up at some point, maybe, if I can be bothered. That's the real challenge with the drone. The footage is really nice, but to have the energy to get it out of the pannier and get it up in the air is a real hassle. And I know I'm going to struggle with that when I'm doing the race, the ride over to China. I need to be filming things, and I want to be filming things, but it really is a lot of effort to get the drone out. You know, it's a good result, but it's not a lot of reward for the amount of effort you have to put in to get good shots with it. But anyway, let's continue.
Okay, so this is a first for me. I've got the new mount for the Mavic Pro drone controller to go on the handlebars. So you are able to use the active track mode, which is where it follows you along. But the I've never been able to get. I mean, it does work, but it is very limited, and the shots you get aren't amazing. So that's me. So I can spin the drone around. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a go, riding along, and I'm trying to follow or fly the drone. So this is going to be interesting. Let's see what the footage looks like.
Well, I haven't seen the footage yet, but I think that was pretty successful. I just removed the little holder and just left with the mount, because that's the most fiddly bit. And if you take the rest off and put it back in the pannier, it's fairly neat. It doesn't leave much, and I've got the normal phone mount. Just my phone goes here, and it's pretty easy. I didn't actually think it would fit horizontally, but it does, so that's perfect, really. Like I said, I haven't seen the footage, so it'd be interesting to see how it turned out. It wasn't too hard to fly, actually. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than that. Cycling, you know, and not wobbling around too much, but it seemed okay. I feel like the footage might not be the most smooth I've ever done on the drone, but it's worth a try. I'm glad I tried it. I've been thinking about doing it for a while, so that's pretty good. Got to do the old check before you set off, see if I've left a pannier behind or something mental. But yeah, I'll have to get back, look at the footage, see how everything went. Because yeah, really surprised how easy that was. I mean, like I said before, still the problem that it is a hassle getting the drone out. You know, just sometimes you just can't be bothered. But I stopped for a bit of lunch on that little bench back there, and it was a good time, really. Another thing that's like audio video related, well, a couple of things actually. Setting up this microphone, I have a lapel mic that's there, you might not be able to see it, but I'm talking to it now, hopefully, if it's working. And I really, again, that's such a hassle to get it set up. I need to find a better system. I might get a little tiny audio recorder or something. If anybody knows any good audio recorders that record onto SD or even micro SD, something really small and can be recharged, I can just put in my pocket, because at the moment I'm using my phone with an adapter. So I have to take my phone, I have to take the phone off the quad lock, And then I've got this lapel mic just permanently wired down to my pocket. And yeah, I've got to faff around getting my phone all plugged in, which is a bit of a pain, because every time I want to do a recording and not have a horrible amount of wind noise, I have to take my phone off and mess about with it. I'm happy with the results. The audio is pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. But yeah, if I can find a nice little audio recorder, that would be ideal, I think. I think that's probably about it for today. If you'd bothered to watch, especially all this way to the end, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Do leave a comment if you feel like saying something. It's nice to read them every now and again. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.